my favorite place to go. Let's go shopping.
Yeah!
Yeah! Wow! This is for cupcake, so I will try two. Yes. Okay, and next I will buy some cake drum because this is most common use. So I will buy some like gold color, silver color, and white color, and also other patterns. And I will buy more because this is very common to use. So, oh, look at this pattern! It's so gorgeous and special. And this is MDF, so I will buy 3 for my wedding case. So I think this can use for my layer case, for my wedding case. So I will buy small for this cake base. Yes. Yes. Oh, this pattern is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I think it's great for Christmas.
Yes.
Yes, and some like small case. Yes, and this is, yeah, this is beautiful. So I will buy 2. Yes. Oh, this is can use for our cupcakes. Yes, and this is crop material. So I think this is suitable for our cupcakes. So I will buy 1. Clear box. Yes. Oh, this is so beautiful, and you can put your cake size 8-inch, I think. So it's good for our cake.
Yes.
Let's buy 1.
Yes.
Here.
Wow, this is the pencil. Also this.
Cake stand for cupcake.
Yes.
Yes, we need this. For our
Wow, this is
wow, this pattern. We have so many pattern here. Which pattern you like?
Yes, let me like it.
This one? Okay, let's buy 2.
Yes,
Okay.
buy 2.
Hey, let's buy some ribbon to finish our shopping. Oh, look at these patterns. It's so beautiful. I think it's good for our clear cake box. So I will buy 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. In SunShine, you can buy any products here. So I will buy next time, and I will buy everything here. Let's go next time.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.